So we have our table, our spreadsheet here. What we're trying to do with a sensitivity analysis is we're trying to figure out the quantity of each one of these totals of each of these quantities. For example, we may have many quantities, but for now we are just going to use a 5 for demonstration. Here we have our inputs, and here's we're going to have our outputs. So for when we change our price or our quantity, our total will change. And this here is going to be based on our total, this cell right here. So let me demonstrate for a second. I can change either one of these, and down here this is going to change. So let's change this to 7. And this changes to 35. Okay. Now we have 7 is 35, and if we change 2, that'll change to 10. So let me show you how I did that. Let's go back and go back to the originally. All right. So what's going on here is this cell is B1 times B2. Here we have from B9 to B13, you insert whatever number you need for your total. So this is up to you, whatever you want to put in here. And this is what's going to change. Now what we have to do is make a table. I'm going to show you that right over here. I'm just going to make this temporary. I'm going to copy this. Let's paste it over here. All right, let's paste. We're just going to paste the values. No, let's go ahead and paste everything. Okay. Let's paste everything. All right. So we have. So let's do this. This still has to be linked to B3. This still has to be linked to B3. All right, equals B3. All right. So I'm just going to take this out. And this is what I did over here. And we will take the data tab, and then we do a what if analysis. And we go to data table. So this is what we do here. We are going to, okay, let me get that undone. What if analysis, data table, and then right here we're going to select all of this. What's going to be, we're going to have a row input or a column input. Well, we're going to have a column input because this is a column. So our column input is going to be B2. So, all right, let's do this. B2. Do that again. Data table. B2. And that's what we got. So you do that, and it will change over here. Everything will change. So let's do that again. So we should be able to change this to 2. And yeah, that works. Okay, so all right, don't put this over here like that in your homework. Put this over here, okay? Now I have to delete that. Delete the comment. So remember, you just have to do a what if analysis. You have to highlight everything. Remember, this is empty over here. Then you have to go to what if analysis, data table, and then an input cell is your input cell. and it's going to change all of the total values based on the original input quantities. All right, so I won't do that again, but that's how that works. So, and then you hit OK. Now make sure that you have the formula in here. Otherwise, this will, if you don't have the formula in here, all of these will be $50 or 50. I'll show you if I take the formula out and just put 50 in there. All that's going to turn to 50. So be careful of that, okay? Anyway, that's it so far. And this is the first video. Make sure we will continue with the second video.